All right, everyone, we are back and we are going to go through our question 3, have a contingency plan. So we have the contingency table. We have, this is a typo. Not type of drink. It should be, I'm just going to make a quick change to that typo. We're comparing purchased item to age. Excellent. Purchased item to age. Write out the expected values and totals in a table. What are the total degrees of freedom in your system? Are the variables independent at a 5% significance level? So let's go ahead and let's work this one out. The total degrees of freedom in our system, we can answer that right now. Rows -1, columns -1. Rows are 3, so that's a 2. Columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that's 4. So 2 times 4 should be 8. Let's go ahead. I'm going to pull up my... where's the notebook we were using last time? Here we go. I'm going to use my code from here. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and type in 30, 55, 40, 10, 5. I'm going to type in 40, 65, 50, 15, 10. I need my 50, 60, 45, 20, 15. And that's pretty much it. Let's go here. Let's just make sure that my observed is looking okay. Waking up my Mathematica. Always make sure to evaluate quick kernel afterwards. So I need my expected values. And I'm also going to do this actually. I am going to flatten this as well because I am also going to solve this in R. I'm going to actually go right here. But we'll do that. We'll do that later just to confirm our answer. Mathematica is taking the sweet time today to kind of wake up, which is completely fine. No rush. There we go. So this looks to be good in terms of that I've typed it in pretty correctly. So those are my observed values. My expected values, I'm just going to use, and be careful here. I actually think this is not the most... let's make sure I'm using the most general code, which I do think is here. I'm actually going to... I think this should be correct. And what we can do is, I'm just going to do a quick double check. Make sure that our code is working. So I want to find this. So I need to do... So I'm going to do this. This is my total of totals. Or actually, what I can just do is this. If I do my observed, if I do flatten, if I do total, then I should be good. And then now I'm going to do 30 plus 55 plus 40 plus 10 plus 5. Multiply that by basically 30, because I want to find this position right here. So some of the rows, some of the columns in that position, divided by the total. Let's look at that here. Oops. 8.2399, and we got it. So the code is working fine. Expected values, observed minus expected. So our chi-squared should be 7.069. So we're looking at a 5% confidence interval. So our chi-squared theoretical 0.058 should be equal to, and let's go here. Actually, we got to go to our chi now. We're moving forward in this So I'm just opening it up. Oh, 5, 8, 15.507. So we know that this is less than this, so we are going to be in a DNR, so we should expect P is greater than alpha. Let's confirm that with our R technique. So I'm going to actually go up here to my Mathematica script. Where are you? Where are you, little Mathematica? Pop up. There you go. So I'm going to go ahead and copy my flatten here, just the values. And then let's go ahead. I'm going to move this R code a little bit over here as well. So I'm going to go ahead and paste it in. If I can do this carefully. Paste. Good. Number of columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Row true. And I'm going to do my column names. So I'm just going to do my column names. I'm going to call it like A1, A1, A2, A3. This is the only part I don't like. A4, A5. And then I'm going to go over here, do the row names. The row names I'm going to probably keep. So I'm going to say E, electronics. And then I'm going to say C for clothing. And I'm going to say G for groceries. There we go. So let's go ahead. And I'm actually just going to scooch it just a little bit over here. Make this a little bit bigger on this side. I'm going to move this a little bit over here. So I'm going to go here, 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 here. We can look at the table. Looks pretty correct to me. 55, 65. Excellent. Chi-squared matches it exactly. Here, p-value is greater than alpha. We got it. That's our problem 3. So we'll see you all in the next video. Thanks. Bye.